2012 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror. Come take a test drive today.